Hi there, on this video, I'll show you how to fix this site can't be reached on Android mobile. To start, open your Google Chrome. Once in Google Chrome, tap the three dots on the upper right. Now, click on the History tab. After, tap on Clear Browsing Data. Clear data by tapping on Clear. Now, open the settings with the three dots again on the upper right. Once there, click on the Settings gear icon. Once you're in Settings, click Privacy and Security. Go to Use Secure DNS. Click Choose Another Provider. Now go back and exit from Settings. You can now close your other apps running in the background. This time, go to your VPN provider. In this example, I'm using SuperVPN. Wait for your VPN to load. Once your VPN loads already, go and connect. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.